After 16 years of working on the ground, you might be wondering, is what we're doing here at Thanda really important? If building a local economy is important, if teaching skills for long-term self-reliance is important, if breaking the cycle of poverty is important, then yes, we believe what we are doing here is important. You see, when a person enrolls in our program, we do not just work with them. We work with their whole household and their entire neighborhood too. We understand that lasting change comes from empowering self-reliance, because self-reliance on an individual, household, and a neighborhood level means increased resilience. And if people have the ability to bounce back when life throws challenges their way, then they are in a better position to create positive and sustainable change in their own lives and pass on to the next generation. How do we enable sustainable change here, and here? It starts at birth. We help to get babies on track to achieve their milestones so that they can have a strong start in life. We have a specially designed curriculum for early childhood development in the context of rural South Africa. And we have different learning models so that we can effectively reach children in the most remote areas. We provide children who have disabilities the opportunity to be included in learning environments that enable growth and encourage understanding. We equip children to successfully move from ECD to grade 3 with knowledge and life skills that are essential for resilience. Skills like empathy, critical thinking, literacy, creativity, and problem solving. And all of this takes place in the comfort of their own neighborhood after school. We dive deeper into more nuanced lessons as children grow older. We inspire wonder through storybooks and lessons on other cultures to teach children to grow into curious, lifelong learners who understand our interconnectedness with one another and the environment. We provide a safe space when children are navigating the changes that adolescence brings, approaching topics with openness and honesty and helping children feel heard and understood, while also instilling important concepts like responsibility and agency. We help to build local food security networks and economic opportunities through mentorship in regenerative farming practices in a country where 27% of children are stunted due to malnutrition, and in a community where 90% of adults are unemployed. Our locally hired team is dedicated to creating holistic change.
Kumnandi ukuba nomama ngoba udlale naye ufunde naye indaba. Kumnandi ukuba naye ngoba kumasupheka nibala naye amaveji ukuthi mangaki ukuthi ube nempilo.
So why is Thanda here? Why are we doing what we are doing? Because we believe that it is important that everyone is given a fair chance to thrive.